delicious, really delicious, really very pleasant fish taste and very nice combination of spices.
Hello my friends, today we're making fish and soup from the fish named goby. Our vegetables inside onion, oh, okay my friends, 5 minutes more and it will be ready. Greenery and look at this, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful spices combination. I recommend
Nice
this
to
recipe.
hear. Best fish and soup what I've ever tasted. Hello my friends, today we're making fish and soup from the fish named goby. This fish located in the Black Sea. I caught it by myself today in the morning, and this fish and soup will be made at home. So usually I make it on the nature, but this one at home. Ingredients what we will use: this is carrot, 3 pieces of small potatoes, onion, garlic, then fish goby, 3 pieces. This is like this. Then we will use laurel leaf, turmeric, small part of turmeric, salt, and black peas. Then 50 grams of fat and a small quantity of greenery. So let's say this is our ingredients for fish and soup. The pot will be volume 1.2 liters. I will 5-10 minutes clean it and will show you how to make it at home. Take some part of water. Okay. It's maybe 1 liter. 1 liter is enough. Because we will need place to put our ingredients inside. Enough. Make this in the temperature. Let's put on maximum and close the pot. Now we will clean potato. Clean potato. Clean this one. Or 3 pieces, I will not. Okay, I made 4 potatoes quarter cut, like this. Just like this. Fly away to fish. Quarter cut for carrot, and I put quarter cut for onion, so for better taste. Let's check our water also. We need 5 minutes to boil it, and then we'll put our ingredients inside. So let's clean our fish. The important thing is to take out gills from the fish from inside to avoid the bitter taste of the fish in soup. So we will make it. I have only 3 with gobby fish. Sorry for cat. Next time. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's boiling, and we put our vegetables inside: onion, garlic, potato, and carrot. And waiting, let's say 10, maximum 15 minutes, and then we will load our fish. Now it's 6:03 p.m. In 6:15 we will put other ingredients inside. Let's clean our fish. Should be clean. It's very good smell of this fish. Smell washing by cold water. Okay. Prepare greens. Now, greenery. This is greenery we put the last time. Then we switch off the heating on the boiler. Prepare a few pieces of fat. For good taste. Okay, friends, 10 minutes passed. I see water is boiling, so we can put our goby fish inside the pot. 1, 2, and 3. Goby fish. Then we will put fat, 2 pieces of fat, and laurel leaf, 2 pieces to avoid its bitter. Peas, black-eyed peas, turmeric, and salt. Okay, that's it for a moment. Let's wait also 10-15 minutes, and we will see what's going on. I feel the smell of fish, and it's like attractant. Laurel leaf, garlic, potatoes, it's making unbelievable smell. Okay, close it for a moment because I reduce the heating. Oh, okay, my friends, 5 minutes more and this will be ready. It's almost ready. So now I will put greenery, and this is the last step in making of fish and soup. Now, and switch it off. Okay. Now we close it for 3-5 minutes and wait it until it will be stable. this. It's beautiful. How is fish soup?
Delicious. Really delicious. Really very pleasant fish taste. And very nice combination of spices. Very good spices combination. I recommend
Nice
this
to
recipe.
hear. Nice to
Yes.
hear you, dear wife.
Okay.
Thank you for your comments.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It will be best fish and soup what I've ever tasted. And of course, fish and soup at nature is better than soup prepared at home. But anyway, enjoy. If you have questions, ask me. Put the like if you like this video. And comments. See you later. Bye bye on the nature.